Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Hyundai i40 active sedan, stock reference number 5289. The shape runs from the 9th month 2011 through to the 2nd month 2015. There's a D4FD 1.7 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. D4FD 1.7 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage. Right-hand boot lid garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light, right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.